Welcome back to the Investing for Beginners community. I'm your host, Johnny, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the 5 best monthly paying stocks 2024 edition. But first, if you are new here, I show winning strategies that I'm using to beat the stock market, from day trades to swing trades, option trades, and I even show you my dividend payouts, to trading the news, buying low, selling high, and even some scalping. I showcase all these in my videos every single day, absolutely free to you. All that I ask is that you subscribe to this channel if you're interested in that, and smash that like button so more people like you can find this video. All right, so let's get into it, guys. Now, with that said, okay, sometimes it's hard to talk about companies and stocks and everything with family members and friends. A lot of people might not like talking about money or stocks. So I created a community of over 70,000 members that you can also join for free. Link below. When you sign up for the weekly newsletter, you will also get a private invitation to this group. And guys, I keep it real here. I do not edit or really do much with the videos at the moment. So let us continue. All right, so EPR is the first company on the list of the 5 best monthly dividend stocks to own in 2024. Now, EPR Properties is one of those companies that I have been talking about on this channel for quite some time. I will leave a card up above to show you some videos of that. Now, EPR Properties is one of those companies that is a monthly paying REIT. And for all of you that don't know, a REIT is a real estate investment trust. And by law, they have to pay out 90% of their profits to shareholders like you and me in the form of dividends, which is awesome. Okay. Now, REITs focus on owning and leasing specialty properties. This one particularly owns movie theaters, mini golf courses, private schools, ski resorts, and even theme parks. Now, EPR stock has a monthly dividend of 27.5 cents per share, which is fantastic. That is a great yield. Their forward yield is 6.96. We might as well just call it 7% per year. Now, the REIT suspended its dividend during the onset of the last pandemic, but since then they've reinstated it and have increased it since 2022. Now, even if there is not a dividend increase on the horizon, Fed Pivot optimizes its potential catalyst for higher prices, which is true. I have a video showcasing that this company goes up 10% in a year and pays out a 7% dividend yield, which gives you a ROI or return on your investment of over 17%. Pretty great, right? Number two for the best 5 monthly dividend stocks would be Fortitude Gold. Now, I have not talked about this on the channel recently. This is a bit new to me and probably to you as well, but Fortitude Gold, ticker symbol FTCO, is the under the radar type of a stock who is now getting into the best monthly dividends for 2024. It's a US-based Fortitude main asset, which is a pearl mine. It's a pearl mine, which is located in Nevada. Imagine that, pearls in Nevada. You would not think that to be the case. Now, FTCO stock may sound like a junior miner at first, but this company has a long since past exploration stage and generates a consistent cash flow from its mines, okay? Now, they are going to be as soon as possible, as management is saying, in the form of monthly dividends is how they're going to return cash to their investors. Now, currently, FTCO's dividend is going to have a forward yield of almost 8%, 7.97% to be exact. Now, besides its appeal as a high yield play, Fortitude Gold could be a way to play changing monetary policy. Okay, so we got to make sure that we monitor this very heavily. Okay, and this may lead to higher gold prices with more dovish Federal Reserve. Higher gold prices may look like a turn result in higher earnings, higher dividends, and higher stock price. So that is some stuff to consider when looking into investing in FTCO or Fortitude Gold. Now, remember guys, I cannot tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. This is not financial advice. All I can do is show you what I am doing and giving you some play-by-plays of different stocks and companies that are coming out. I love to showcase monthly paying stocks on here. Companies that pay dividends. This is our main staple. I love it, and I hope you guys do too. Now, if you're not investing yet, there is a link below to sign up with Moomoo. Start your investing journey today. Get 8% on your uninvested cash starting as soon as you fund the account, and get up to 15 free stocks. Now, guys, there is some companies like Tesla and Apple that you could potentially get, and those companies are in the $100 to $200 range right now. Imagine signing up and getting a free share worth $190 of Tesla. Would you sell it? Would you hold it? Let me know in the comments what you would do. All right, so as we continue on, the next company is going to be Gladstone Land, or ticker symbol LAND. Now, we do talk about Gladstone Land quite a bit. Actually, we talk about Gladstone Capital as well, which is ticker symbol GLAD. If you want to see either one of those videos or podcast, check the link below in the description. Now, for all of you who don't know what Gladstone Land is, they basically manage several public land entities that pay monthly dividends by top choice for long-term investors. Okay, this monthly dividend REIT focuses on the ownership of farmland property. Okay, now this land stock doesn't particularly have a high forward dividend yield like the other ones did at 7%, 8%, but at 4%, it does have a very nice history of dividend growth, and it has also been paying out dividends for the last 9 years, consistently increasing it as time went on. Now, for more important news, right, Seeking Alpha commentator pointed out that in November, Gladstone traded at a discount, and it did. I picked up more shares of land at an extreme discount. And there is a video, so you can check out that video above. Okay, I'll leave a link. And while there is an immediate catalyst to unlock their value over time and interest rates come down, the REIT finds new tenants for its vacant properties. Now, these are farmland properties, so this stock right now is hovering around $14 a share and could climb to anywhere as high north of $40. Okay, so that is pretty interesting because the global food demand trends may somewhat help increase the future growth and appreciation of this company. Now, I know, I believe Bill Gates owns a lot of land, and there's several other people that own a lot of land, but Gladstone Land also leases a lot of it. So definitely check that company out as well. Now, moving along, this is number 4 of the 5 best monthly dividend stocks. This one is LTC Properties. Now, we have talked about LTC Properties several times on this channel before, so definitely check out some of those other monthly paying dividend videos. I have a playlist I'll put above that is Dividends, Dividends, Dividends. That is a playlist title. And it's all about how you can start benefiting from companies like this, sitting back and just enjoying your life while you get paid dividends every single month. All right, guys, I love monthly paying stocks. They're one of my favorite things, and it is the staple of this investing channel. I am getting into more options trading, day trading, and swing trading, as well as, of course, trading the news, buying at the 52-week lows and riding it up to the highs. Now, if you guys want to learn more about that, definitely check it out, and I'll talk more about it in just a minute after this stock here, or the next 2 stocks. Okay, so LTC Properties, okay, it's pretty cool because they own healthcare the healthcare REIT, okay? Now, they have huge exposure in what is called the graying of America, or the rising percentage of Americans that are age 65 years or older. And guess what, guys? LTC Properties owns a ton of elderly care service and facilities, okay? They're able to specialize in ownership of elderly care facilities like LTC stock. Now, after finally experiencing some setback from the pandemic that had happened, of course, there is extreme growth and additional growth runaway for more money, because again, there are a lot more elderly people coming about in the country, just, not only America, but all over. So while this trend is playing out gradually, in the meantime, you can collect LTC's monthly payouts, okay? They have an annual dividend yield of 7%. And like with many of these REITs in general, shares could really could rally if interest rates lower this year. So they could actually go way up once the interest rates kind of calm down a little bit. Now, there's nothing wrong with investing in REITs or BDCs. I have tons of them in my portfolio. The thing is, whether or not they are profitable companies, there are plenty of BDCs and REITs that are paying a high dividend, and we call those dividend traps, and they will pay you a high dividend, but their stock is slowly going down. So you're like, oh man, I got paid another $1 a month today, $1 a month, but you're losing 4 to 5% every month of your position. You made $1, you're losing 3. So make sure you do your research on BDCs and REITs. And again, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy any of these companies. All I can do is show you information. Use this as educational purposes. And guys, we still have one more company. Of course, the staple of them all, the one and only, the best of the best, in my opinion, is number 5 out of the 5 best monthly paying stocks. 2024 edition, okay, 2024 edition, is Realty Income. Ticker symbol O. Now, Realty Income is undoubtedly the blue chip monthly dividend stock, but even this large diversified was hammered hard in 2022 and 2023. Now, because of the soaring interest rate prices, you were able to get this company at an extreme discount if you were paying attention. Now, they are still offering monthly dividends, and they've bounced back even stronger since last October 2023. Now, bottoming out at about $45 per share, they have now climbed back up to about $57. Now, I remember correctly, just before the pandemic, it was trading roughly at $70, if I'm not mistaken. Leave a comment below if you can name the exact price it was at before it crashed. Now, with that said, it's already gone from $45 to $57 and still has a potential to increase to that $70 mark. Now, don't assume that you've already missed the boat or have any FOMO, fear of missing out, because they both have really great appreciation in the price over time while collecting a steady monthly income. Now, at this current price, it's yielding about a 5% dividend yield, but the potential to go up another $15 and even more in the future. Now, besides further positive news regarding the interest rates, keep an upward trajectory. Now, again, with interest rates, if they were to go down slightly, then Realty Income would go up dramatically. And this is a dividend aristocrat, okay? So they've been increasing their dividend yield and paying it out solid for years and years and years. And as pointed out back in December, Realty Income has a pending merger expected to be accreted to earnings, okay? Pretty good stuff, guys. Those are what I would consider the 5 best monthly dividend stocks in 2024. Okay, I have a ton of other monthly paying dividend stocks. Again, like I said, I'll leave a card up above and you can check out that. Now, I want to help you take your losing trades to winning trades, your failures to successes, and I want to see you grow that portfolio. So, with that said, make sure that you subscribe to the channel And watch this video next, how to trade with confidence every single time by having a plan and a stop loss. And this is new information that is relevant in 2024. Don't buy the dip, or I'm sorry, buy the dip, but if it's true to the dip, and don't buy at the top and hold the bag and end up losing 50 to 100% of your portfolio. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, watch another one, and I'll see you tomorrow with another great video. Tomorrow, guys, is all about, I can tell you right now, it's all about a couple of great companies for this week. I got 3 of them right here. 3 of them right here in the notepad. I'll line them up. Tomorrow is Monday, and you are going to have a nice playlist of stocks to look at for the week. All right, guys. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.